Hello everyone, how to talks back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Souleasy AI Roleplay Chatbot application. So first of all you need to install, then tap the open button, then tap here right bottom corner, tap here sign in or sign up. Then you have to create your account, or you can guest login. So you have to create your account to get the all feature. So simply tap here continue with Google. So it's loading now, and coin gifts you get here. So this is the premium, I'll do it later. You can use free. So actually this way you can create. Then what you need to do, tap here plus icon, then you can research, you can chat, but you can find here randomly. So tap any character and tap the word hi. So if you already use the character, then you can know that congrats, you will get asked for. So you can see here, actually this way you can use, but it's not free. Like if you want unlimited, then you have to buy the premium subscription. So how can you get premium subscription? Tap here and tap your research or subscribe to VIP. Then you can get here the feature normal user. You can choose, tap the continue, then you have to add your debit and credit card, then you can easily buy it.